Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect language from a text in Flutter iOS using the natural language framework which is built inside iOS. So we don't have to install any third-party dependencies like MLKit or any machine learning model. It is by default present inside iOS, so it will decrease your app size. So let's see an demo first. Here you can see that I have this button and I'm passing this particular text to the natural language. You can use whatever text you feel like. Now this text is in Marathi, which is a language spoken in India and one of the languages. Now if I click on this detect language button, here you can see it has detected Marathi. It only gives you the language code. MR stands for Marathi. Maybe you can create one JSON file and map all the languages, and if you get MR it maps to Marathi, if you get EN it maps to English. Now for some languages be careful, like suppose there is EN US and EN UK as well, so yeah, be careful with that. This might give you a different results, but anyways, let's get started. As usual, I have created a Flutter application, and here I have just imported this flutter services.dart import. Rest everything is same. I have just refactored this home page widget, so it is a stateful widget. Here we have created this method channel of detect language platform. Now same name you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. And here I have created this variable just to check which language was detected. Then here we have created one button, text button, and on press of it we just take this method channel and invoke a method called detect. Now same method name also you will have to define it on native iOS side, and you have to pass the string for which the language needs to be detected. So here you can see I'm just given the name as key as title, and this is the actual value. So you can replace it with whatever you feel like. Once the language has been detected, we just update this variable, and this text is for our text input text button itself, and here is our text of detect language. So that's what we are displaying over here. Okay, so pretty simple. Next we just go to the iOS part, go to runner, go to app delegate.swift, and here you just have to first import this natural language. Then I have created this NL language recognizer which is part of natural language. Then inside this did finish launching with options. You might see this code as well as this particular code. So in between these two lines you have to write this particular code. So first we have to create our root view controller. Once we do that, we create a Flutter method channel. Now the name is same what we have defined it on Flutter side. Then for that we are looking for this detect method. So once we get this detect method, we get hold of the title which was sent from Flutter side. And okay, sorry, I think I did a mistake. This should not be have been, this should have been something like this. Okay, but I'll run it again just to show it to you. I'm running it from Xcode, but you don't have to run it by Xcode. You can run from the Flutter run command as well if you feel like. Okay, so again coming back, sorry about that. So here we get hold of our title, and then we just do recognizer.process title, and then we just get recognizer.dominant language, get the language out of it. If it is unable to detect a language, then we throw this particular error. If it is able to detect the language, then we just do language.raw value and send it back to Flutter side. In case of error, we send the error back. In case if you enter the method name wrong, then also we send an error. And yeah, this code is present by default. So yeah, that's it. Now let's see. Okay, so I think it has finished launching our application, and if I click on detect language again, okay, it is detecting Hindi, but unfortunately it is not Hindi, it is Marathi, like I told you, right? So suppose if I it is on device machine learning, that's why sometimes it gives different results. Now Marathi resembles slightly with Hindi as well, that's why I think it made up this mistake. But let me just change this string. So this is title, okay, but here inside main.dart, let me just change it to this particular part. Okay, I think I have added one extra quote over here, okay, namaskar tumhala kon. Acha, okay, I think this is also Marathi. So let's see if this detects properly in Marathi. Like you say, you check, right? This, the previous text was detected as Hindi. Again, this is like on device machine learning, and the text was also very short, so maybe it has it didn't really get it. Also, both Hindi and Marathi are written in Devanagari text. Like if you're not an Indian, you might be confused about all this stuff. But yeah, don't worry too much about it. Now if I click on detect language, now here you can see it has detected Marathi properly. So it also depends on how big your text is. Sometimes different languages are written in the same script, so it might cause some kind of an error, given that this is on device machine learning. Like I'm assuming this natural language thing behind the scenes uses on device machine learning. But hopefully you got the point. So yeah, if you feel free to pause the video and just copy this code if you feel like. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.